Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Magazine. Today we're shifting gears from 2 wheels to 4 as we dive into the thrilling world of the 2025 Porsche GT3. Buckle up, this is going to be an exciting ride. The 2025 Porsche GT3 is a masterpiece of engineering, combining stunning aesthetics with unparalleled performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car a must-have for enthusiasts. First up, the design. The 2025 GT3 features sharp lines and an aggressive stance that scream performance. The new front fascia not only looks fantastic, but also improves aerodynamics, giving it a distinctive edge on the track. The iconic LED headlights and lightweight forged wheels not only enhance the look, but also contribute to reduced weight and better handling. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 GT3 packs a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-6 engine that churns out an astonishing 518 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. With a top speed of around 197 mph, this beast is engineered for speed enthusiasts. Plus, the new rear-wheel steering system enhances agility and stability, making every turn feel effortless. But it's not just about raw power. The GT3 is loaded with cutting-edge technology. The new infotainment system offers seamless connectivity, while the racing-inspired cockpit keeps you in control. From customizable driving modes to advanced driver assistance features, the GT3 blends comfort with high-performance driving. Now, let's address the elephant in the room price. The 2025 GT3 starts at around $170,000, which is steep, but for those who crave the ultimate driving experience, it's worth every penny. Available in a range of stunning colors and configurations, the GT3 is sure to turn heads wherever you go. So what do you think? Is the 2025 Porsche GT3 the ultimate sports car? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, keep riding.